Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Bank customer with a check in hand but no time to visit a branch, Chase's mobile deposit feature is a total lifesaver. It's quick, easy, and lets you handle your banking right from your smartphone. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Chase mobile app installed. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Chase Mobile, and download it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you're new, you'll need to set up an account first. Now, prepare your check. Flip it over and endorse it by signing your name on the back. It's also a good idea to write, "For mobile deposit only," below your signature to prevent any issues. Next, navigate to the deposit section in the app. Look for the Deposit Checks or Mobile Deposit icon. It's usually on the home screen or under the menu. Tap on it, and the app will walk you through the next steps. You'll be prompted to take photos of your check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area to avoid blurry images. First, position the front of the check under the app's frame and snap a clear photo. The app might have guides to help you align it perfectly. Then, flip the check and do the same for the back. After taking the photos, review them carefully. Double-check that all details like the amount, date, and your signature are visible and legible. If everything looks good, hit the Submit button. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation screen, and the app will process your deposit. Funds typically appear in your account within a day or two, depending on the check and Chase's policies. Remember, there might be daily limits, so keep that in mind for larger amounts. A quick tip: always use a steady surface when taking photos to ensure clarity, and if you run into any errors, double-check your check for any damages. That's it, you've just deposited your check without leaving home. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.